Hello everybody, how are you all doing? Hope you are really doing well. I am Anjali Karki from Pithoragar and I'm super excited to take you along with me to our today's new English vlog. I know you must be wondering why I have not been uploading any vlogs these days, but I told you reason yesterday. Let me give you a quick but little update of my health. I am a bit fine today in comparison of yesterday. I am a bit fine and it's 9 in morning, so it's time to drop Anubha at her Anganwadi center. So let's go to the Anganwadi center. Yes, yes, put on your Crocs. Put on your Crocs. Let's go. Say let's go. Hmm. Okay. Let's go. Say let's go. Hold my finger. Yes, hold my finger. No, you are not even 3 years. You will be 3 years on 13 September. 30, 13 September. When is your birthday? 13. Say 13 September. I just dropped Anubha at her Anganwadi. Being a housewife is a great responsibility. Whether you are feeling sick or you are perfectly fine, still you have to take care of your family, you have to manage the home, doing all the work, and keep everything running smoothly. So, for that, I heartily want to salute all the amazing and strong women out there. Well, let me show you. You may notice a little bit change in our room today. Today we have changed the position of our bed in this room so that we can have good space. Let me show you. This bed used to be in this direction. I would say in horizontal, but today we changed it vertically so that we can have here good space. And let me tell you why we are managing good space here. So there are two regions. The first region is we need good space for our tuition classes, and the second region is Anubha's birthday is in corner, so we have to arrange some space for celebrating her birthday. Perhaps we may have a small party, not a grand party, a small party on occasion of her birthday. So for that we have arranged some space by shifting the things from here to there, just like cats do. You know, cats, they always when they have their kittens, they always uh, keep their kittens from one place to another place. So this is what I am doing, and I used to do in my maiden house as well. So let me show you a glance of my kitchen as well. Oh, look at here, guys. It's so messy. It's so messy today because, as I told you, I'm not making excuses, but I'm not fine, so I'm so lazy today for work. Just look at my sink filled with the dishes. On this cedar tree, a bird is chirping, and locally we call this bird Ghuguti. So you may hear the chirping of this bird. It is just like goo 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 goo. Try to listen. try to hear closer. Have you tried to hear that sound? Try to hear closely. Definitely you may hear. And it will just run out from here. Well, weather is quite fine for past 2 days, and we are finally blessed. We are finally blessed by the mercy of Lord Surya. So we can soak up sunlight, we can enjoy sunlight, we can enjoy vitamin D from Lord Surya. And let's have a look to today's beautiful weather. It's really stunning today. Just look at the beautiful clouds, how perfectly they are arranged today. And just look at, let me show you clouds behind this tree. And just look at that bird, guys. This is the bird which is chirping on this tree. This is called ghuguti. Locally we call this bird ghuguti. So let me show you weather from this side, but I am a bit scared because of monkeys. Just look at there and look at the bundle of clouds there. Isn't it so beautiful? And this is today's weather. Isn't it so stunning? I mostly come on roof and try to observe everything, but one thing is hidden from my eyes. I am so surprised. Let me show you. How can it be hidden from me? Look at that house and just look at the creeper of a bottle gourd. It is spreading from this field to that corner of the roof, and it's a single plant, I guess. Just a single plant. How enormous is it? It's really strange, but looks nice. After basking in the sunlight, I feel completely relaxed. Now let's go in room because I have to do dishes. Let us pluck some fresh mint leaves from here. I really love the fresh, pleasant aroma of the mint leaves. Every plant is truly so special. Each has its own unique virtue that no one can steal. And this is enough for me. We are just reaching in room and my daughter is enjoying chokoj. Anu, do you love chokoj? Do you love chokoj? Ah, it's tasty, I guess. Is it delicious? I don't feel it's delicious. But you find it delicious, right? Okay, you enjoy? Well, let her enjoy her chocos. I have to go in kitchen to prepare today's lunch. Today I have decided to cook curry for lunch. I have already prepared batter of curd, gram flour, and I have already added ingredients whatever are required to make this dish more delicious, like spices, green chili, some leaves of mint, and kasturi methi, fenugreek. I don't know what is that called. Dry fenugreek, yeah. So batter is ready. And you know what, guys? Curry is one of the most delicious and famous dishes in our Pahar, and it is cooked in every Pahari house. So I must say it is famous and absolutely favorite of every Pahari, isn't it? So I have to prepare curry, but before that I have to do laundry again. Even I woke up just a few stairs, Perhaps it is because of the scarf. Well, I have done laundry, and laundry in this wire is mine. Just look at the clouds. It's 1 in afternoon and weather is changing. Finally, it's time to prepare curry. Don't worry, I'm not gonna share recipe of this curry. So I have taken iron cast. There is something truly magical about iron cast or the food item which is being cooked in iron cast. Truly magical. So let's prepare curry. I had lunch and came straight to roof to bask in the sunlight, and I have been sitting here for at least an hour. Now it's 3:30 and at sharp 4 I have to take tuition classes. So let's end today's vlog. Hope you have enjoyed this video, this vlog. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you soon in the next video. Till then, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.